Welcome back, friends. Today I will show you that in Microsoft PowerPoint how you can easily remove background of an image and then how you can change its background to something else so that your image look like this one. So let's get started. First of all, I will bring the image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have an image on my computer which I will just drag and drop in PowerPoint, and after that I will change its aspect ratio. So I will double click on the image and then I will go to crop option and click on the arrow, and from here go to aspect ratio and then click on this option, and after that click anywhere, and now I can expand it to cover the entire slide. So now I have to remove its background. So to remove the background in PowerPoint, I will double click on the image, and then on the left side we have option remove background. So click on this option. The pink area shows that this area will be removed and other area of the image like these parts will not be removed. But we can mark the area which we want to remove and we can mark the areas which we don't want to remove. So we have these two options over here. So first of all we will mark the area which we want to keep. So I will click on the option mark areas to keep, and then we need to keep this area, Alright, so this area we want to keep. We don't want to keep this area, the background one. So now I will click on the mark areas to remove option, and then I will click on the areas which we want to remove. So this area, and in the middle as well. Okay, I think now our image is good to go. So now to make the changes, I will click on the option keep changes. Now you can see the background has been removed. The next step is that we can crop the image to the area we want. So again we will double click on the image and click on the crop option, and now we will just crop the area from top, from right, and from left. So this is the area we actually want. And now we have removed the background of the image. The second step is that we want to have a nice looking background of the image. So for that, if you have an image on your computer, you can bring that image, or you can just go to insert pictures and you can insert any picture from stock images. So click on that. So here you can type any keyword. I have just typed park view, and then we can scroll down. So this was the image which I selected earlier, and let's select this image and click on insert. And now we have inserted the image which we want to have as a background image. So again we need to change its aspect ratio so that it covers the entire slide. So double click on the image and then go to crop and click on this arrow, and then click on this aspect ratio and go down to the 16:9 and click on the white space, and now we can readjust the image so that it covers the entire slide. And finally we can send this background to back of our image. So just right click on this image and then go to send to back option and click on send to back. So now we can readjust this image the way we want. So this is how you can easily remove background and change the background of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. And when you are satisfied with your background and the image, you can save it to an image file. For that, click on the first image and then press the shift key and click anywhere on the second image, and after that right click on any image and select the option save as picture, and then give name of the file, and that's it. So this is how you can remove and change background of your image in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.